Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. I hope everyone's doing alright. This video contains all the new places I've been eating in recently. It hasn't been that recent, it's been over weeks and months, guys. I don't eat that much all the time, so I just wanted to try some new places. So this is just come for lunch. We're just at work and we tried this new place. It's okay. There's a lot of hype about it, but it's not, I wouldn't really go again, but it's fine. It's quite a lot in one box that you get, so I think two people can easily share it. It's a lot for one person. But yeah, so in this video there's a lot of new places of trying, so there's more food, guys. I've just been to do a visit in this place. I couldn't really find where it is. It just makes you appreciate where you live. You see people living in these conditions, you say alhamdulillah, you know, you just feel grateful because people live in these situations as well. It doesn't matter if you got a big house, small house, as long as you got a roof over your head, you're blessed. And just think about everybody that's like can't really afford nice places, or you know, family circumstances, so it just makes you more grateful that you live in a house, a nice clean house, and it makes you appreciate life and where you live as well. Just come to Nando's with my family again. This wasn't on the same day, which I just said before, guys. This has been over months basically. I'm just adding it on now. Obviously Nando's, you know, I'm sure all of you has been to Nando's before. Guess where I am, guys? Saturday evening at Mom's. Baji's made a lot of food as usual. Just made some meat, I think, and some gobi as well, some keema. So I'm just enjoying that. The little munchkin's being the little munchkin as usual, being naughty. Doesn't want to get off the table. Now I'm just having dessert. It's kheer that Baji made. So I'm gluten free, but I can have kheer. It's fine. It's absolutely safe to have it, guys. Does anybody else like kheer like I do? Cooking some potatoes just for lunch, something nice and simple. This is all I had at home today, just potatoes, so I'm trying to make the most of them, guys. Nice crispy potatoes, trying to enjoy something nice and simple, and I'm making tomato chutney with it as well. To be honest, it wasn't my cup of tea, guys. It was just too much meat on the menu. I asked for chicken, they didn't have no chicken at all apart from chicken wings, and I could just smell meat everywhere. It was nice. They had lentil soup as well on the house, thank you to them. We had chicken shawarma, but I wouldn't go there again. It's quite bland as well, guys, but you might like it. Got another meeting with my friends at a restaurant called Alamgir, guys. I've been once before with my family. I'm sure I made a video of it last time I came. It's the second time I've been. My friends wanted to come, but I am quite impressed. The food is quite nice. What we had, the chicken, it's not jalfrezi, but it was chicken something, I can't remember, but it was really nice. We had a meat dish and a chicken dish, and it was really nice. And my friend had a steak and some boiled rice as well, so I would definitely recommend it. And this salad was delicious with yeah, it was lovely. It was loads of olives and cheese, and it was just delicious. This is my friend that had the steak. I think it was a bit too much. This is one place, guys, I'll recommend. I've just come with my friend to this Lebanese Turkish place. Absolutely delicious. It's called Mezi. It's really nice food, guys. I would definitely recommend this. And I'm not into Turkish and Lebanese food, but this was quite spicy as well, so I'll definitely recommend it. Very beautiful service, and absolutely delicious food, guys. Definitely recommend it. Every season I try to freshen up my space. You don't have to spend so much money to do that. Just simple touches. I've just changed my doormat. Obviously it's autumn season, pumpkin season. Pumpkin spice, guys, have you tasted that from Greg's or Costa? Delicious. Yeah, my diffusers obviously needed to be filled in again. Obviously I just buy refills. I keep the original containers and I just get the refills. And my cushion covers need changing, so I ordered some new ones, and my curtains needed changing as well, so I just added some brown and autumnal shades, you know what I mean, guys. Yeah, and I've got a pumpkin spice mug as well. So just cushion covers, new curtains, bit of changes around the house, some beautiful scents. It makes a big difference. Just having dinner at my sister's today. She's made some grilled chicken wings with some boiled rice, and we've got some salad with it as well, and some tomato chutney. So yeah, just enjoying and just catching up with my sister.
فذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون